Hi, so I'm going on how to designate a CTPA, a third-party person to put your drug test results in. These are instructions are listed on the Clearinghouse FMCSA website. You'll click on the Learning Center, and after you click on Learning Center, you will click on Owner Operator to get the instructions. I'm on step 17, where it said how to designate a CTPA to be authorized to do your drug test violations, to put those drug test results into the clearinghouse. So these are the instructions. You must authorize someone to at least report your negative drug test results into the clearinghouse or completion of return to duty drug tests. And so it said to designate your CTPA. It said who is your CTPA. So you want to make sure you talk to the company that you want to go with and find out what is their cost. Okay. You will go in where it says, let me see, can I zoom in? Make it bigger. Okay, right here it says who is your CTPA. You would type in your name, for instance, company lab clinic A. You'll put in your name. You're going to hit the search. It'll search for the company. When the company pull up, you're going to designate that you want them to report violation and report return to duty information, and you hit next. Once you hit next, it will send that company an email for them to agree to work with you to put your results in. So send that company email to put your results in. And so this is registration, the instructions upon the registration employees with portal accounts. All right, if you have any questions, you can give me a call back. It's 601-317-5997 at Felicia with SAP Evaluations. You also can really find this information on the Clearinghouse. Here's their website up here. Let me move my the website for the Clearinghouse. You'll go there to get more information, as well as they have a contact number for you can reach them. I hope this information was very helpful.